Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'll be using and reviewing the Ulta Beauty Gilded Gold palette. And if you'd like to see how I create this look and my opinion on this palette, then just keep on watching. So the first color we'll use is the color Tan. And this will go all over our eyelid. And then we'll take the eyeshadow color Scorched, and that'll go in our crease. And then we'll go back with the blending brush. And then we'll go with the color Starlet. And then we'll add the color Coal. And I'll just go in the outer corner. And then for our wing liner, I'll be using the e.l.f. liquid liner in the color Jet Black. And then for mascara, I'll be using the Maybelline Great Lash in the color Very Black. And then we'll add some of the color Gilded. And that'll go in our tear duct. And then to bronze our face, I'll be using the Sephora MicroSmooth Baked Bronzer Duo in the color Honey Heat. And then to highlight our face, I'll be using the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector Press in the color Moonstone. And then for lips, I'll be using the Essence Lip Liner in the color Satin Mauve. And then to top off my lip liner, I'll be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Prague, which is this one. And then to finish our makeup, I'll be using the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And here is the finished look using the Ulta Beauty Gilded Gold palette. And this palette is really nice and has very neutral colors, and the colors blend very well. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.